Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Gyanshala with Masti with Madhav. In this video, I will tell you more about space. This is a very demanded topic, so if you want any video on any topic, so you can comment me on the comment box. So let's start. Welcome to our universe. So what is the universe? Universe is the home place of every planet, star, galaxy and other celestial bodies. It is very big as scientists have not found the end of it and they have found only a few galaxies. There are crores or billions of galaxies in our universe. Now let's understand about galaxies. Like we studied that the universe contains galaxies. So a galaxy is a gravitationally bound system of stars, stellar remnants, interstellar gas, dust and dark matter. So you might think that there are some words that you not know the meaning, like stellar remnants, interstellar gas and dark matter. So what are stellar remnants? Stellar remnants are the pieces of died star. Interstellar gas is the gases present between the stars. And what is dark matter? This is a thing that scientists also not know till now. I'm saying that they do not know properly about it. So dark matter is a substance that produces an attractive force, and there is also a term dark energy. The dark energy produces a repulsive force. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था कि एस्ट्रोनॉमर्स को अभी नहीं पता है कि डार्क मैटर रियली में है भी या नहीं, पर उन्हें ऐसा लगता है कि किसी भी जो हमारे को दिखता है उस मैटर में इतनी ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स नहीं है कि वो पूरे यूनिवर्स को बाइंड कर सके या फिर उसको जोड़े रखे। इसलिए उन्हें लगता है कि डार्क मैटर ऐसा मैटर है जो पूरी गैलेक्सी और यूनिवर्सेस को जोड़ा रखता है। Our galaxy's name is Milky Way galaxy. So in our galaxy, it is divided into many parts and these parts are called the solar system. What is the solar system? Our solar system consists of star, the sun and its orbiting planets including Earth, along with numerous number of moons, asteroids, comets and meteoroids. It consists of 8 planets, which are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Our sun is just one star among the hundreds of billions of in our Milky Way galaxy. The trick for learning all the planets are, my very excellent mother just served us nachos. So like the first letter of every word, like M for Mercury, V for Venus, E for Earth, M for Mars, J for Jupiter, S for Saturn, U for Uranus and N for Neptune. In many places you have seen this structure of a solar system. Do you really think that this is the structure of a solar system? No, this is the structure of our solar system. The sun is not on the left but in the center of our solar system and all the planets revolve around it. Do you know what are celestial bodies? All the things that are present in our universe are celestial bodies. Some examples are asteroids, planets, stars, etc. Do you know what are stars? A star is an astronomical object or celestial body consisting of a luminous spheroid of plasma held together by its own gravity. That means that a star is a luminous object that produces light. It's of circular shape, made of plasma, and it is together held by its own gravity. For at least a portion of its life, a star shines due to thermonuclear fusion of हाइड्रोजन इनटू हीलियम। इसमें एक वर्ड आया है थर्मोन्यूक्लियर फ्यूजन। इसकी वजह से ही सन शाइन करता है, क्योंकि सन के पास इतनी ग्रेविटी होती है कि 4 हाइड्रोजन के न्यूक्लियाई उसकी ग्रेविटी की वजह से इतना स्क्वीज हो जाते हैं कि वो एक हीलियम का एटम बना लेते हैं, और फिर जो एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस होती है वो स्टार्स बाहर रेडिएट कर देते हैं। एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ सम स्टार्स आर सन, नॉर्थ स्टार, बेटलगीज एंड VY Canis Majoris. You all know what are planets. We also live on a planet Earth. A planet is an astronomical body orbiting a star or stellar remnant that is massive enough to be rounded by its own gravity, but it is not massive enough to cause thermonuclear fusion. Natural satellites are also celestial body. They move around the planets and we do not call them moon. They are natural satellite. The natural satellite of Earth is called moon, and there are many examples like Io, Europa and etc. Asteroid is a large irregularly shaped object in space that orbits our sun. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि एस्टेरॉयड एक प्लैनेट से तो वो छोटे होते हैं, इसलिए उनको एस्टेरॉयड कहते हैं, और वे गोल शेप के नहीं होते हैं। मोस्ट ऑफ द प्लैनेट्स गोल शेप के होते हैं, पर ये इरेगुलरली शेप्ड होते हैं। एस्टेरॉयड्स रॉकी होते हैं और इनका रीजन जो होता है वो एस्टेरॉयड बेल्ट में होता है। I have marked the asteroid belt in the solar system. You can see the grey spots. Those are all the asteroids and they make a belt. हमने अभी तक क्या पढ़ा? हमने पढ़ा कि यूनिवर्स के अंदर गैलेक्सीज होती है, गैलेक्सीज के अंदर सोलर सिस्टम्स होते हैं, और सोलर सिस्टम्स के अंदर अलग अलग तरह के स्टार्स, प्लैनेट्स और एस्टेरॉइड्स होते हैं। अब हम पढ़ेंगे ड्वार्फ प्लैनेट्स के बारे में। इट इज ऑल्सो अ पार्ट ऑफ अ सोलर सिस्टम। A dwarf planet is a planetary mass object that does not dominate its region of space and is not a satellite. What does it mean that it does not dominate its region of space? Like Sun has its own orbit, Mars has its own orbit, Earth has its own orbit, but dwarf planets do not have their own orbit. You may know Pluto. Pluto is also a dwarf planet. Till 2006, it was recognized as a planet and there were 9 planets in a solar system. But after a meet, it was considered that the Pluto was a dwarf planet. Examples of dwarf planets are Ceres, Haumea, Makemake, Eris and Pluto. These dwarf planets are situated in the Kuiper belt, but when you see the Ceres, it is situated in the asteroid belt. In the asteroid slide, you might see that I have written that the 4 largest asteroids are Ceres, Vesta, Pallas and Hygiea. Ceres is also situated in the asteroid belt as I told you, but it is still a dwarf planet as it is bigger than the asteroids but smaller than the planets, and it does not have its own region also. I hope you all understand this this topic. If you want more explanation on any of the topics, so you can write in the comment box. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Bye.